TENGU Nihongo Koza. Thank you for watching TENGU Japanese lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to say happy birthday in Japanese. So let's start TENGU Nihongo Koza.
Nihongo Koza. Today I will teach you how to say happy birthday in Japanese as I said before. So let's start. Happy birthday in Japanese we say お誕生日おめでとう。お誕生日おめでとう。Now, birthday, we write with hiragana and kanji. The first character is written in hiragana o. And also, we use tanjoubi. 3 characters are written in kanji. Tanjoubi. Otanjoubi, which means birthday in Japanese. And we can also write otanjoubi just using hiragana. Otanjoubi. Otanjoubi. Or we can also use katakana to write. But we normally use this way. Otanjoubi. Otanjoubi. Hiragana and kanji. This is the common way of writing happy birthday in Japanese. Otanjoubi. Okay? Now, happy, congratulations, is written in hiragana. Omedetou. 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 These are all written in hiragana symbols. Omedetou. And we can also write in katakana as well, but we normally use hiragana. Omedetou. Now, this is the polite way to say happy birthday in Japanese. お誕生日おめでとうございます。お誕生日おめでとうございます。お誕生日おめでとうございます。You just need to add ございます at the end of おめでとう。お誕生日おめでとうございます。Now, birthday, お誕生日 which is written hiragana and kanji, and happy, written in hiragana only. Now, by adding ございます at the end, this is going to be a very polite way of saying happy birthday in Japanese. Now, お誕生日おめでとうございます This is the formal and polite version and suitable for someone you respect or in informal settings. On the other hand, お誕生日おめでとう This is the casual version, commonly used among friends, family, or people close to you. Now, we can also say happy birthday like how you say in English, but we say like this: Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Not like happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, not birthday, happy birthday. Okay? But we normally say お誕生日おめでとう or お誕生日おめでとうございます。Okay? So, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching Tengu Nihongo Koza. Now, by the way, Tengu Nihongo Koza will enable you to learn Japanese language in easy to remember ways and give you the confidence to become a competent reader and writer of Japanese. So, please subscribe Tengu Japanese email newsletter and get free Japanese lessons, textbook, and audio files. You can also watch the free Japanese video lessons to learn how to speak Japanese for real communications. I'll put the link in the description box on YouTube or click the link below. And thank you very much for watching Tengu Nihongo Koza. それではまた次回お会いしましょう。さようなら。